All right, next up we got the Barbie speedboats. Oh, I put the scissors away.
I'll go get
Okay, thank you. There we go. Who needs scissors? Thank you.
See, I can cut.
Perfect. That's a cute boat. You got a pink life jacket. You got a dog. You got cups.
So,
Speedboat Barbie.
okay. Oh, gotta put this on her. Oh. So,
Do you need help? Gotta wear your life jacket in the boat, huh?
she already has a life jacket on.
No, she has a swimsuit on.
Well, it's not really a swimsuit. It's just like
You
kind
gonna
of.
pretend it's a life jacket?
Well, it's not really. I'd say. Actually, it is. I don't really know what it is, but it's not a swimsuit.
Barbie's life jacket matches your shorts.
Oh yeah.
It matches Mommy's outfit.
It doesn't look. Gotta put her arms up. When you have the life jacket, always gotta put your arms up. So that people can help you. Yeah, put your arms up. And Bobby does not know how to do it yet. Because she has not been practicing. Gotta practice, Bobby. Now she can put. She's doing a live. Nope. Oh, and if you want to go with, no, I went to walk and jump. They didn't hear that I went to walk and jump. They didn't hear that I went to walk and jump. They didn't hear that I went to walk and jump. That's it. So I went to walk and jump. And next time I'm having my birthday party at Six Flags. Because Six Flags is the best. Vote them in. Tell me in the comments. How much inches are you? I'm 40. So you can ride every ride except Batman and Mr. Freeze. That is.
Good. Are we ready to go?
Nope. She does not want to wear a life jacket. Bobby, you have to wear your life jacket. Wait. It's on backwards.
It is on backwards. Oh, Barbie.
Bobby, put this on. Bobby, hands up. Bobby, don't you know what to do? I guess you don't. Bobby has never been practicing. Tell me in the comments, have you been practicing? Mom, wait.
Yeah. Where'd Barbie go? There she is.
She's on backwards.
Does she have her life jacket on?
No.
Barbie's struggling.
She just needs to wait till it gets bigger. Like. I love Bobby. Ah!
Oh, Barbie.
Oh my gosh, it's hard.
Do you need help?
I know. And if you don't know what walking up is, it's a trampoline place. It's not just trampolines. It's a fun place. It's not just trampolines. There's like a place where there's like obstacle course place. Like there's different options what you could choose. There's one with some basketballs that you have to like swing across through. Then you have to go on this big mat circle, and then you have to get off, climb over, go on the slide. And you have to get to the slide, get over to the little bit, get over to that bit, then get out.
All right, Barbie.
And the obstacle bit is my favorite. Bobby, come on, get it in all the way.
Do you want me to help you?
I got it. See, I got it.
Good job. Hold the
There
life jacket
we
and pull
go.
it through.
Bobby,
Good job.
there we go. Now it's good.
Is Barbie gonna go in the water?
Nope.
Oh, she can go in the boat?
She has to go in the boat.
Speedboat Barbie.
Wait, she meets her friend. Actually, her sister. Her sister is her cousin. Well, no. Her sister is her sister. Gee. Now recording.
Barbie ready?